Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha, and I have a special treat for you. I'm going in for surgery, and I'm going to take you with me. But before I explain all about that, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up because that does help my channel to grow. And leave me a comment if you've had this surgery before, if you're thinking about it. So, let's get into it. So the surgery I'm going in for is called lower blepharoplasty. So that's where they go in through your lower lid and they take out these nasty little fat pads under there. And that sort of gets rid of your baggage. So I've been saving up for this for a long time and I'm really ready for it. So you probably, if you look to the side here, you can see that I've got these lovely little fat things there that they never go away. And I can't seem to get them covered up by concealer. So I decided it's time. So come on along. Just a little minimal, just aching on the eyes. The eyes look great. Have this over here, but that's just because I cheated and took some ibuprofen 2 weeks ago, so please do not take any ibuprofen for a month. It makes a difference. So, but other than that, I'm excited. I'm coming out of the anesthesia really well, and I'll look forward to giving you a day one review of my recovery. So stay tuned. Okay, this is 24 hours after surgery, so you can see I've got quite a bit of bruising under each eye, and this left eye has some blood in it. The pain level, I mean, it aches a little bit, but I'm really surprised. I mean, this does not hurt, and I've only taken acetaminophen, so I haven't taken any pain pills. I put some ice patches on it, and I will do again soon, just small little round ice patches that will help with the swelling and the bruising. So this isn't anything that I didn't expect when they're going in for surgery and pulling out things that are in there. This is to be expected, to have some bruising and some swelling. So I'm not surprised about this at all. So I'm actually excited to see what the outcome will be in a week and 2 weeks, and you will see me over the course of the next few weeks seeing how these are healing up, because I'm not taking a break from filming. I'm still filming. I've got lots of content that I want to film yet. So but it doesn't involve probably me trying on makeup. But I'm really excited to take you with me on this journey of, I believe, self-care. And I'm such an advocate for investing in yourself. People that are interested in getting braces, I'm all for that. Actually, my braces hurt worse, longer than this did. So, so I'm happy about it. And really the cost, if anybody's interested in the cost is a little over $6,000. So, and you're able to do it in payment plans. So there's 0% interest. So I'm really happy with Pryor Health. They are so kind and so sweet, and they're just so nice. They gave me a little care package to take home, and so I just want to thank Dr. Landon Pryor and his team on just their kindness and help me on this journey, and I hope that this will inspire you to care for yourself in some way. If there's something that you have been wanting to do for so long, like I have, I say do it. Save up the money or find a way to be able to get a loan out, or however you can to make this happen for yourself. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to the end result. And so I just want you to know that I just so appreciate you watching my videos. I just care for you so, so much. And you are wonderful and you're special and you are beautiful from the inside out, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. So thank you so much again, and I will see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.